Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Anne, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, we are finally going to have a project to use loose Sculpey liquid Sculpey. So I got these four colors from Sculpey, and actually, what I'm more familiar with is the transparent or the light colored one. So we have here light orange, purple, green, and blue-gray metallic. So I want to see how they look like when they're baked and what colors they produce once the items are baked. So let's get to it.
Let's start by cleaning our workspace first. I always use a glass mat and I clean it by spritzing it with some alcohol and wiping it down. Now let's bring out our materials for this project. By the way, we're making mini cupcakes and using liquid Sculpey as the icing. I will use my scrap clay to place as filling for the cupcake. I will also use the tints from Sculpey for the cupcake lining. I should be using translucent clay, but unfortunately I ran out of it. So as a substitute, I am using this glow-in-the-dark clay instead. I will also be using these cute cupcake molds. Finally, I will top my cupcakes with these microbeads. And since I want all of my cupcakes to have a shine, I'm using this eyeshadow palette. So first, let's condition the scrap clay. I added a bit of brown to it, and after conditioning, this is the mocha color that was the result of mixing everything with brown. Next, I am prepping the cupcake molds by brushing some light-colored eyeshadow to the molds. Now, let's bring the glow-in-the-dark clay out. If you've ever worked with this clay, you will know that it has a slightly greenish tinge to it. To change the color a bit, I am using the Sculpey tints. I placed 1 drop of the red color, then I mixed the clay. I do this a couple of times until I finally get a pink color. Then I use a circular cutter to cut the lining. Once cut, I placed this on the cupcake mold and carefully pushed this down with a ball tool. Once it is curved, remove it from the mold and set it aside. Next, get the scrap clay and push it down the mold as well. Remove the excess clay with a tissue blade using the satin slice. Pop this out of the mold and place the cupcake in the lining. Dust the mold again, and for one final time, push the clay down the mold using the ball tool. Then slice off the excess clay. Finally, get a small ball tool and press the sides of the clay to the mold. Now we're moving to the top part of the cupcake. Condition the clay and press it down the mold. Cut off the excess clay. Get some liquid clay and place it on the cupcake bottom. Then carefully pop out the cupcake top and place it on top of the bottom part. Then texture the sides of the cupcake top. Finally, as I am making this into a charm, I get an eye pin. I slightly bend the end of the eye pin before carefully pushing it down the center of the clay. This is so that it cannot be removed once it's baked. Now I'm bringing the colored liquid clay out and just going around the pin, as this is going to be the icing on my cupcake. If you'd like to fix the icing, get a small ball tool and just move the liquid clay around until you're happy with how the icing drips down. Finally, I top the icing with my microbeads. From experience, it is safe to bake these microbeads and they do not melt in the oven. It is only once I am completely done that I pop the cupcake out of the mold. I baked this and this is how it looks like once it's baked. I then attach this to the leather bracelet with a jumper ring. These are all the cupcake bracelets that I was able to make. I was very happy with them, that's why I kept on making multiple pieces. I also tried the different colors of the liquid Sculpey.
So it's something to just take note of when you're doing a project, that these are the results of the baked liquid Sculpey. So that is it for today's tutorial. I really enjoyed making all of these cupcakes. I'm also going to make one with a keychain, maybe a bigger cupcake, but it's going to be a keychain. And so I do hope that you enjoyed this short experiment with these new products of Sculpey. And if you happen to like this video, I hope that you consider subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!